Alright guys, I'm back. This is part 6. There's the other ceiling fan I just did. Now this is the other ceiling fan here in the living room again. I don't know the model of this, but this is a white 52-inch fan. I just don't know the model of it. So, and if you notice, see, it's got LED lights in here too, except there's no bulb in here because the bulb must have burned out. So there's no light bulb in there. So that one has missing bulb. So I'm gonna show you on the switch real quick too. Alright, I'm now going to turn the fan on, so I'm going to start with low. There's the reverse switch. Sorry about that, that was just ice in the refrigerator. So, yeah. Anyway, just ignore it. If you hear any sounds, just don't worry about them, just ignore them. So, anyway, that's low, and then here's medium. Blows a little air on medium, but it blows even more air on high. Here's the top of it. Alright, that's low. I mean, anyway, that's medium. And anyway, here's high. So, let's see that. Ooh, that feels good. So, yeah, it does. That blows the curtains a little bit too. So, that feels good. Again, if anyone knows the model of these two fans, just let me know in the comment anyway. Alright. That feels good. Really nice fan. Alright, now I'm gonna... Alright, so now I'm gonna put it back on medium. You know what, actually, I'm gonna put them on low. I'll leave them on low. Alright, so there you go. These are the ceiling fans in my condo. So I hope you all enjoyed. Until then, thanks for watching. Until then, that's it.